Imagine your orders flowing seamlessly from any application directly into your Shopify store. That's the power we're unlocking today by creating Shopify orders with Zapier. If you're spending too much time manually entering order details into Shopify, or if you want to connect your Shopify store to other tools you use, like your CRM, a form builder, or even spreadsheets, then stick around. We're going to walk through how to automate this entire process, saving you time and reducing costly errors. The first step is simple: log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, we need to tell Zapier what will initiate an order. This is your trigger step. Think about where your order information originates. Is it a new submission on a Google form, a new lead in your CRM like HubSpot, or perhaps a new row added to a Google Sheet? Select your desired app here. Once you've chosen your trigger app, you'll select the specific event that should kick off the Zap. For instance, if you chose Google Forms, you'd select New Form Submission. If you chose HubSpot, you might select New Contact. Next, Zapier will ask you to connect your account for that trigger app. Follow the prompts to log in securely and authorize Zapier to access your data. This ensures your Zap can pull in the information it needs. It's crucial to test your trigger. Zapier will attempt to pull in a sample of data from your chosen app based on the event you selected. This sample data, like customer name, email, and product details, will be used to set up the next step. Now for the exciting part, the action here. We'll tell Zapier what to do in this case. Create an order in Shopify. Search for and select Shopify as your action app. Within Shopify, the action event you'll want to choose is Create Order. Just like with your trigger app, you'll need to connect your Shopify store to Zapier. Enter your Shopify store's URL and your private API key, or log in through the OAuth process. This grants Zapier permission to create orders on your behalf. This is where we map the data. Look at the fields for creating a Shopify order. You'll see fields for customer name, email, products, quantities, and more. Use the drop-down menus to select the corresponding data points from the sample trigger data you pulled earlier. For example, map the customer name from your form submission to Shopify's customer name field. You'll need to map at least the essential details for an order to be created. Pay close attention to mapping the product information. You'll need to specify the product SKU and the quantity for each item in the order. If your trigger app provides pricing, map that as well. Before you turn your Zap on, always test your action. Zapier will attempt to create a test order in your Shopify store. Using the mapped data, head over to your Shopify admin to verify that the test order was created successfully and contains all the correct information. Once you're confident that your Zap is set up correctly, click Publish Zap or turn on to activate it. Now, every time your trigger event occurs, Zapier will automatically create a new order in your Shopify store. This is a game changer for streamlining your e-commerce operations. You've just automated order creation, freeing up your valuable time for other essential tasks. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more automation tips.